So these Navbar animations look cool, right? Want to learn how to add them to your phone too? Stay tuned. What's up guys, Wes here back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you that how you can add some really cool animations to the Navbar of your phone. So what you have to do is you have to download an app called Navbar Animations. So this is the one, and here you can see there are a bunch of animations to choose from. So you can also find this app on the Play Store as well, but the problem is that they'll only allow you to access to this first animation. This is the football animation, but if you want to use the rest ones, you have to pay for that. So I have provided a link in the description down below for a cracked version for this app. So once go to that link and download the app, and then after installing that, open the app and then enable the application from here, from this corner here. So once you're enabled, you can choose from your favorite animation. Like I'm choosing from the league, and I'm choosing random animations. So the animations will appear whenever I'll interact with that navigation bar. So here the animation appeared, and here the navigation appeared. So the random animations are appearing again and again. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this. So peace.